Practical number 4. Title: Computation of measures of central tendency and dispersion of grouped data. Use and appropriate measures and interpretation of result and computation of partition value. Example for this: a study of a certain operation shows the following distribution for 180 workers. Calculate mean, median, 6th decile and 73rd percentile. So class, we given class 10 to 30, 30 to 50, 50 to 70, 70 to 90, 90 to 110. Frequency 10, 40, 80, 35 and 15. Okay. Solution: classes. Mid value 10 plus 30 divided by 2 means 40 divided by 2, 20 means upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2, we get mid value 20. Likewise all mid values we find. Then frequency which we have given 10, 40, okay, we write. Then make addition for calculation purpose. Xi Fi means this Xi into this into this into this is equal to this, okay. Multiplication of both is this, okay. Likewise then Xi square Fi means make the square of 20 and multiplied by 10, we get this. Square of this multiplied this, we get this, okay. Likewise, so making addition of this, then find less than cumulative frequency. We use these less than cumulative frequencies for median and percentile, decile, okay. Then first we find mean x bar is equals to summation xi fi divided by fi. Then summation fi xi is 10900 means addition of this column we put here. Summation fi 180 means addition of this column we put here. So after calculation we get 60.555. Then find median is equal to n divided by 2 means we find the values. We find first n by 2, n is 180 divided by 2 is 90, so n by 2 we get 90. Then formula of median is L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. So L is 50 and n by 2 is 90 because n is 180 and divided by 2 is 90 minus 50 divided by 80 into 20. 20 is H means difference between the classes is 20, okay. So calculations of this is 60. You know how we take this value, because in last here n by 2 lies in this, so we take this corresponding class of median. So L is the 50, so L is 50, okay. So we get answer 60. Then 6th decile, for this 6n divided by 10 we get 6 into 180 divided by 10 is equal to 108. And 6th decile lies in 50 to 70 class. According to we take the values. D6 means 6th decile, L plus 6n divided by 10 minus CF divided by F into H. Putting the values 50L, this value is 108 and CF is the 50 means preceding value where 6n by 2 is lies, preceding value of this 6n by 10 म्हणजे उसके पीछे की value into 20. 20 is the H. H means difference between the class, and after calculation we get 64.5. Now 73rd percentile. 73rd percentiles. 73rd n divided by 100 is equal to 73 into 180 divided by 100 is equal to 131.4. Where this value lies, we take that values. Okay, so L is 70 because 131 lie in that cumulative frequency. We take this class 73rd percentile class from that class. Okay, so L is thus 70 because of this reason, and this we get 131.4 minus CF is 130, preceding value where 131.4 is lies, into H. H is what is 20, we write here 20, and we get after calculation 70.80. This is the 73rd percentile. That's it.